Here I have LG G7 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the general tab, choose lock screen and security. Now let's choose the select screen lock. Choose here the fingerprints, some biometrics one right here. Let's enable this. Here you've got the instructions, tap next. Before you add your fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be knock code, pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me set up the pattern. You can also require pattern to turn on the device. In my case, let me choose no thanks. Let's draw your new pattern, tap next, and let's do it again just for confirmation, tap confirm. You have to decide either you would like to show all notifications when your phone is locked, or you can hide sensitive notification or hide all sensitive notification and generally all notification. In my case, let me hide only the sensitive one, tap OK. So now you need to scan your fingerprint, so let me do it. Of course, the sensor is located at the back of the device right here. Let's just start tapping. Just simply tap your sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint, and that's it. The fingerprint is added. Now you can tap OK, or you can choose add more if you would like to. Here you've got your finger, that's it. So now all you need to do is press power key to lock your device, and to unlock your phone you can of course enter your pattern, or you may do the same with your scanner of fingerprint right here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.